Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel Read with Bindu. For today I have something fun. I am going to do reaction to memes. Not just any memes, the Samurai Turned Pretty memes. Because be honest, the Samurai Turned Pretty, the series is over, but we are not over the series yet. So I am still going to look at these memes because of my hangover. I'm still hungover the series, so I am just literally looking at those memes. It's going to be so much fun. Let's dive into it. The first meme. Every Conrad Jemaya conversation literally be like, she didn't choose me, but she didn't pick you either. Literally, dude, Jemaya, he be telling some serious bullshit at the time. He's so annoying. He just opens his mouth and I'm like, dude, stop. The Summer I Turned Pretty is a horror story about being in your 20s and trapped in a love triangle with the people you liked when you were 16. Why is it so real though? What are you gonna do now that TSITP is over?
Get emotional thinking about it. I don't know! I don't know! I don't know!
I don't know! Even I don't know! So relatable. The hot guy who is so nice to me. Me, my 6'4" enemy that literally hates me and is so fine. I think all book girlies can relate to this. We never want the nice guy. We are always behind this brooding, morally grey main character. We need some serious therapy. Me whenever Jemaya opens his mouth. Me too, Taylor. Me too. Susanna already knew who the right choice was. P.S. It's not Jemaya.
Oh, you're such a good friend to Melly. Like a brother. Connie, you know how much it'll mean to her if it's you. You're her Prince Charming, and we all know it.
No, that's not.
You've always been so good to her. Remember when you were the only one who'd let her tag after you and the boys?
Susanna literally said that. She said to Jemaya, like, you are like her brother. I totally forgot that this happened. No comments. Me when someone says Conrad got the books, so Jemaya should get the show. Guys, Harry killed Voldemort in the book, so Voldemort should have killed Harry in the book. Like seriously, how does it make any sense? Just because something happened in the book doesn't mean we have to do the opposite in the movies. How does it make any sense? Make it make sense. Me, Team Belly goes to therapy. Exactly, all of us. Belly needs some serious therapy. I mean, every single one of them needs therapy. Finally, Conrad understood that and he went to therapy. He was literally shining the moment he took therapy. There were a lot of changes. The therapy was showing in the final season, not gonna lie. Now, Belly is the only one who is left. When you realize there is only one Conrad Wednesday left. This was our entire reaction. This was the reaction of all of us when there was only one episode left. Now we are crying because the series is over. The summer I made every Susanna moment mine.
I want the piece of the strawberries! I don't want to see you again.
Or we just make today about my mom?
Maybe. We're getting married. Are you pregnant? How many times did we discuss contraception? I'm not pregnant!
Laura,
No.
Okay. I'm gonna talk about the funeral moment. Literally, Belly, she was unbelievable. Like, his mom literally died. It was his mom's funeral. He was going through so much. How could you be so mean to him? I get it. You are hurting too, but you have to be there for each other, not turn against each other. But that being said, she is a little child. She's a teenager. She's so immature. I'm not surprised that she actually did that. Coming home with the books I bought on impulse. The 294200 books on my shelves. Steven is a little mood. At some point, Steven and Taylor were the only good thing happening in the entire series. That's what kept me going. The FMC picking the wrong love interest, me. Conrad's expressions, oh my god. We can literally see the pain on his face. Poor Connie baby. And we're not going to talk about the invisible ring. I mean, we cannot measure the amount of love with the kind of how costly the ring is or how big of a diamond it is. But that being said, it is funny because it's literally invisible. How the enemies to lovers books on my shelf looks at me. So tempting. So tempting. As someone who is a certified enemies to lovers reader, I totally get it. This is how I feel. Let's look at the next meme. What? The crossover we didn't know we needed. Harry Potter and the Summer I Turned Pretty crossover. It's so funny. Okay, that's the high I am going to end this video on because there is no other meme that could top this. This is literally the best. The crossover that we all needed. Let me know in the comments below if you have liked the memes and how you're coping up with the series being over. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, on a totally different tangent, why does my top look like something Belly would totally wear?